How to delete apps on your iPhone 14s. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete apps on your iPhone 14. So this will work for all of the iPhone 14 such as the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Plus and iPhone 14 Pro Max. So whichever iPhone 14 you have, this method will work for all. And even if you don't have an iPhone 14, you have other iPhones such as iPhone 11, 12, 13, etc. This method will still work. So in order to delete app, first of all, locate the app which you want to delete. For now, let me simply delete this Fonts app right over here. So in order to delete the app, you'll have to first of all long press on the app. After that, it will basically provide you three different options. You can either remove the app, share the app, or edit home screen. So since we are here to delete our app, we'll simply tap on the option remove app. And now it will again provide us with three different options. You can either delete the app, remove from home screen, or cancel. So since we are here to permanently delete the app, we'll simply tap on the option delete app. And now it will ask us the confirmation for one last time. So simply tap on the option delete, and there you have it. So that is basically how you delete any apps on your iPhone 14 or any other iPhone you have. And if you don't find your app on your home screen, you can simply search the app by simply swiping down, or you can go to the app library and then search it over here. Now once you find the app, simply repeat the process and you will have successfully deleted your app. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.